Hello, this is Troy with the Noble Grafted In middle position. And one of the things I'm trying to do is on the Noble Grafted In, I'm doing two things at the same time. We're hitting the Noble part, which is Acts 17:11. The Bereans were more noble than those in Thessalonica. So this is Acts 17, where I get the name Noble Grafted In middle position, the first word noble. The brothers immediately sent Paul and Silas away by night to Berea. And when they arrived, they went into the Jewish synagogue. Now, these Jews from the Jewish synagogue, these Jews were more noble than those in Thessalonica. So the ones in Thessalonica, the Jews in Thessalonica, were less noble than the Jews in Berea. Now, these Jews were more noble than those in Thessalonica. They received the word with all eagerness, examining the scriptures. So the word and the scriptures daily. How often? Daily. The scriptures were found in the synagogue. The Jewish scriptures were found in the synagogue. Let that sink in. Jews, scriptures, Jewish synagogue. To see if these things were so. And many believed. So, when we're talking about this subject, and we're in the book of Ephesians, we see that, therefore, remember at one time you Gentiles were alienated from the commonwealth of Israel. You were strangers to the covenants of promise. But now because of Christ's death, you're one new man in the Spirit, who's reconciled us both in one body, the body of Christ, through the cross. We both have access to one Spirit, in one Spirit, the one new man, to the Father. So then you are no longer strangers and aliens. You're no longer strangers to the covenants of promise. You're no longer alienated from the commonwealth of Israel.